All right, so a little while ago, I got a brand new sealed in-box MacVision image capture device for the original Macintosh. So I'm gonna open it up, do an unboxing. This is my first unboxing, so we'll see how it goes. So here is the back. You can see it has the shrink wrap still on it. Here are the sides. And back to the top. So you can see it has the shrink wrap on. It says includes a Mac Plus adapter. We'll figure out the best way to open this. All right, so I have my little knife here, and here we go, opening it up. All right, so I'm gonna leave the shrink wrap mostly intact here and just kind of remove as little as possible to actually get the device out. So, okay, I've torn that back and I'm going to open the case up here and slide it out. Go. So there is the box, and now here is the device and the packaging as packed years ago. First thing we have is some documentation. Welcome to MacVision. Koala Technologies. Talks about the Macintosh SE, the different items in the kit, and Mac Plus users what they need to do. And I have a Mac Plus, I'll be connecting it to a Mac Plus later. And here is a coupon to save almost $85 on a digital camera. Back in the day, digital cameras were relatively rare and camcorders were pretty much non-existent. So that saves you almost $85 off a camera that would have cost 300 bucks. Here is the registration card. Here is the owner's manual. Very nice. Here's the coupon for the upgrade. Here is a notice of address change. So they are now in Scotts Valley, California. Here is copyright 1984, Koala Technologies floppy disk. All right, and here is the device itself. It looks in great shape. Got some of the foam falling apart on it there. Here is this looks like the Mac Plus adapter. So it can connect to your Mac Plus. And I have to say, it does feel very solid. There's the 9-pin to Mac Plus adapter. Here is, must be the power block. Nicely packed. There we go. The original AC adapter. And the MacVision itself. It's in beautiful shape. And here we go. MacVision. And oh boy, the pots are really hard to move. They're very stiff. And on the back, Koala Technologies, patent pending. And there you have it. And there's the 9-pin Macintosh plug. And there we have it. Well, let's lay all these items out. All right, so there we have the MacVision. So what I am going to do is, looks like there's just basic screws holding that together. I might lubricate those pots a little bit, but I am going to set up my Mac Plus and power it up and see if this actually works. Okay, so here I have the MacVision connected to my Mac Plus. So you can see I have the control box connected. Not undone any of the cables. I've carefully connected to the printer port, and it actually works. I have a Sony camcorder connected down there, and let me see if I can preview a scan here. So I'm going to try to scan the actual computer, and we'll see what that looks like. So we'll do a new scan here, and I'll try to hold it steady. Let's see what it gets. You can see it actually scanning, and I think I need to adjust the contrast a little bit up. Do another lighter scan. Try to do this on the floor. There we go. Do another scan here. Hold it still. Holding it still is a little hard. And you can see it actually works. Alright, so now I'm going to move the camera over so you can actually see what this looks like. There you go. That is what it scanned. Now a little rough, a little handheld, but it is working perfectly. I am psyched. This is awesome.